The Socio-Economic Right and Accountability Project, SERAP, has urged President Bola Tinubu to stop the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, and Nigeria's 36th governor from usurping the authorities and responsibility of the National Judicial Council and heads of courts through the giving of cars and houses to judges. According to SERAP, these actions likely indicate that the judiciary is becoming submissive to the executive arm of government. In a letter dated November 9, 2024, signed and released by SERAP's Deputy Director, Kolawole Oluwadare, a copy of which was made available to Punch Online on Sunday, November 10, 2024. SERAP also urged the President to direct the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Mr. Lateef Fagbemi, to challenge the constitutionality and legality of the practice of members of the executive giving cars and houses to judges in Abuja and across the states. According to the statement, the organization asked Tinubu to improve the working conditions and welfare of the nation's judiciary through existing constitutional arrangements and mechanisms, as its government is constitutionally mandated to safeguard the rule of law. SERAP's position follows a report from September 24, 2024, when the Federal Executive Council approved the construction of 40 housing units for judges and justices in the FCT. Recall that the FCT Minister, Wike, disclosed this while addressing State House correspondents after the 18th Council meeting chaired by the President at the Aso Rock Villa, Abuja. Wike said the initiative was part of the government's renewed hope housing agenda to provide secure and convenient accommodation for judicial officers. SERAP countered this initiative and stated, such practices are antithetical to the constitutional principles of separation of powers, checks and balances, and the rule of law, and may create the perception that the judiciary is subservient to the executive. The organization employed Tinubu, saying, to ensure that the Federal Executive Council FEC under your leadership stops the practice of approving the construction of houses for judges, as the exercise of such responsibility is entirely inconsistent and incompatible with the provisions of Nigerian Constitution and the country's international obligations. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.